From your work-holding solutions partner, Positrol, comes a great way to improve shop floor productivity with Positrol's chuck change system. Designed for production environments with multiple changeover needs on individual machines, the Positrol chuck change system allows an operator to compress his setup time into literally just a few minutes. The receiver and draw tube adapter has been engineered to be utilized with most machines, and once mounted becomes an integral part of the spindle. To perform a changeover, you simply follow 4 easy steps. After the spindle comes to a stop, release the cams on the receiver. Next, push the release button. Rotate the work holder counterclockwise to disengage the draw tube. Then you can pull away the device for replacement. For installation, you will simply reverse the procedure. First, you'll mate the adapter to the receiver, engaging the draw tube. Rotate the chuck until it snaps into place. Now turn the cam to lock it into the adapter of the receiver. The adapter will fit snugly into the receiver as shown. Then you're ready for operation. Positrol's chuck change is a system that can be used for virtually all applications. In addition, it accommodates full draw tube capacity for bar work. Utilizes a full range of standard or special work holders. Can be retrofitted to a wide variety of existing machines. And is designed to utilize existing hydraulic cylinders from current equipment in your shop. Positrol's chuck change system, when you know you need to reduce setup time right now. For more information, call your local Positrol sales representative or give us a call at our Cincinnati headquarters.